What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're looking at Worldcoin. This coin was massive, absolutely huge back in 2024. Now, the problem with this coin is, it's the tokenomics. It's the token emissions. It's the token dilution. And we can see this very, very quickly by just flipping over to market capital. We can see we're sitting at almost an all-time high. We're sitting at $2.08 billion, which is great out there. However, when we look at the price, it's only sitting at $1 versus the once before $9.84 that we had. And this is all because of token inflation, or really just emissions, because you've got not inflation, you've still got the 10 billion supply, but you've got more coins in circulation, which dilutes the value of the coin. Now, this is a big issue for people that are, bought in at this price here, and you're waiting for that price to happen again. Because if you want that price to happen again, we need a 10x on the market capital right now, which is 20 billion, and that assumes you've still got a 2 billion circulating supply. So I think it's cool that we can see the conversations on World Build 2, which is happening at the moment recently. And, we can see the world chain guys really starting to push again and wake up in the crypto space. But we still have these things to, combat, such as those emissions. Now, I do want to talk about a realistic price analysis and what I think could happen for the Worldcoin. But of course, I don't want you guys to get overly excited or something like that. Got to remember the Bitcoin price history for September and October. September is usually bearish, and we could still see a 20% correction for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next few weeks. October is typically and historically very, very bullish. So it's hard to say, my guys. It's hard to say what's going on. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. Let's have a look at Worldcoin very, very quickly. Now, what we can see is we're trading this beautiful looking symmetrical triangle. And should the team keep pushing and should the market keep sustaining its bullish sort of narrative and arc right now, we could actually break out this symmetrical triangle. And that would take us to an interesting location, about $1.42, which is a big, big level of resistance. We had a lot of support before, but then we had a lot of support lost as well, as we can see from January 2025. So naturally, this is a point of interest where if we can get continuation, we might see a juicy 34% pump to the upside. We are obviously trading in this symmetrical triangle, and there is a good chance that we might break out. So for me, a take profit zone is $1.42, which could be a decent area for a long on leverage or something like this. But again, guys, we could equally fall short, and we could lose, short, we could go short, hit support, and we could flop away again. We could fall back down in price. We could come back down to a 25% drop, and we could see 80 cents all over again. So yeah, if the market capital can keep going, then that's great. In order for a $1.40 to happen, we need a larger market cap. We need, I think, $2.8 billion market capital in order to see the price actually go there. And, at the moment, it is looking good. On the week, it's up 15%. On the month, it's pretty much recovering. But, it could get there. And on the day, obviously, it's up 12%. So it's looking very, very good yet again. The Worldcoin WLD token, which a lot of people are still hoping will do very, very well. Do want to say, guys, if you're new here, please hop into my Discord channel, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We are one of the largest communities out there. We're doing crypto giveaways. We're doing lots of exciting things, guys. If you just want to join a hot community to grow in this space, to enjoy the crypto world, please check down below and find yourself in my Discord channel. What else can we quickly check out? Well, very quickly do want to touch on the PEPE node ecosystem. 839k raised now for PEPE node, a new PEPE alternative ICO. It says earn bonuses in meme coins, airdrops for top miners in PEPE, Worldcoin, and more. Because PEPE node is a mine to earn meme coins. It's pretty cool. Lovely graphics here, really good quality. It looks nice as well at the same time. And you can see you can buy with crypto using things like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, even a base wallet right here if you wanted to. And in general, really, really nice. You can see here is their X profile. They're pretty new because, the ICO has just gone live. But when you research this token right now, it does look pretty bullish. So not financial advice. Do not over risk. The link is down below to check this one out. I want to say as well, thank you to all the new patrons. We've only got a few slots left. Only 3 crypto legend slots are available right here. So if you want to get access to trade signals, leverage signals, spot signals, stealth launches, early coins, white listings, and all that juicy stuff that my VIP patrons in the Discord server do get, you can check that out down below too. Trading bonuses await you with Bitfinex. Always use the right exchanges out there, folks. And this one here is a lovely one with no KYC. globally accessible and all that juicy stuff. So in summary, Worldcoin token, $1.03 right now. We need to see at least a $2.8 billion market capital for the price pattern to actually be successful. You can see if we look at the daily time frame right now, we are just creeping up to that overbought kind of a narrative here on the relative strength index. As you see right there, we're sitting at literally 58. So there's still a chance we could see a rally here. If we do get the classic Q4 2025 pump that everyone's hoping for, then, you know, there's a good chance that we could come up higher, but we could come down first and then go up. So yeah, it's all swings and roundabout. Your guess is as good as mine. Remember, guys, this video is not financial advice. We'll see you very soon. Thanks for checking out my video. Like the video, share the video with a crypto friend, and hit subscribe. See you soon.